Welcome to VSS Power, a leader in high-voltage substation and power plant solutions, delivering excellence in electrical engineering. VSS Power Engineering Services Limited, leading experts in high-voltage substation and power plant solutions. We deliver tailored electrical engineering services to meet your energy needs. VSS Power, a UK-based leader in electrical design and engineering, specializes in high-voltage substations, power plants, and civil engineering services. We also operate in Hubli, India. VSS Power has grown steadily, delivering projects worldwide. Known for high-quality solutions, the vision is to be a global leader in substations, power plant, and civil design. We use industry-leading software such as AutoCAD, ETAP, Digsilent, and CDEGS for 3D modeling, system studies, and earthing calculations. Across our systems, we employ specialized tools for power system studies, primary design, protection and control, civil design, and M&E design, ensuring precision and efficiency in all our projects. We deliver detailed station layouts for efficient site execution and installation schedule. We provide complete earthing solutions for both primary and secondary equipment, ensuring safety with detailed installation and integrity checks. Our advanced design tools ensure precise protection and control schematics, improving accuracy and efficiency in panel building and electrical network operations. We provide power cable routing, detailed tray designs, and updated lightning protection layouts, ensuring safe and efficient cable management and surge protection for stations up to 400 kV. We conduct detailed system studies, including load flow, short circuit, stability, harmonic analysis, and comprehensive grid compliance for reliable network performance. We provide design engineering, testing, consultancy, and project management services, ensuring optimized and safe electrical infrastructure for your projects. VSS Power excels in high-voltage substation design, commissioning, and testing, ensuring reliable power distribution and enhanced grid efficiency. We deliver engineering solutions for thermal, hydro, and renewable energy plants, ensuring successful project completion worldwide. VSS Power leverages cutting-edge technology to tackle complex electrical challenges, with successful projects like brownfield developments and system replacements. VSS Power has completed high-profile projects globally, including 220 kV and 440 kV substations, power plants, and transmission lines across Asia, Europe, Africa, and more. VSS Power serves major utility companies and global organizations, building strong, long-term relationships through quality service and repeat orders. We ensure strict quality control, compliance with global standards, and continuous improvement to deliver superior results in every project. We operate in over 10 countries, leveraging strategic partnerships and international expertise to deliver global best practices in every project. We integrate renewable energy and eco-friendly technologies, reducing carbon footprints and driving sustainable development in future projects. We collaborated with Siemens, Mitsubishi, and Freedom Agrilec on major projects, including substations and wind farms across the UK and Nigeria. We worked on key projects with Ørsted, ABB Canada, Siemens, and others, including offshore wind farms and GIS substations globally. VSS Power has partnered with Siemens UK and SNC Lavalin USA on multiple substation projects, including 275 kV GIS and AIS substations across the UK and USA. We worked with Suncor, Freedom Agrilec, Ørsted, and Shell on key substation and offshore wind projects globally, including Canada, the UK, and South Korea. We collaborated with SSEN, Viridian, and NG projects on key 400 kV GIS/AIS substations, enhancing power infrastructure across the UK and Canada. VSS Power's leadership, led by Managing Director Varaprasad Padega, oversees teams in electrical, civil, and M&E design across global regions. Reach VSS Power in the UK or India via email phone, or visit us at our offices in Basildon and Hubley. Thank you for reviewing our presentation. For any questions or further assistance, feel free to reach out to VSS Power via our social media or website.